This is Toupret's Wood Repair Filler in white. It's a durable powder filler for filling, shaping and repairing all wood types inside and out. Unlike traditional two-part fillers, Wood Repair Filler has no strong smelling and fiddly chemical hardener. Just add the powder to water and mix. It also has a much longer working time than two-part wood fillers, giving you 30 minutes to fill to any depth. And because it can fill to any depth and is easy to sand, it's also ideal for shaping and repairing without the need for formwork. Perfect for broken sills and edges. What's more, it's ready to paint in just 3 hours. And it comes with all the features and benefits that Toupret is famous for. For more information about this and all other Toupret products, head to toupret.co.uk.